Right, welcome back to Ben's Life. It's really windy today, so I haven't brought the drone with me, but we're going to these abandoned assembly halls. You can't go in them, but as it's in someone's garden, but you can go like around them and like you can get some good photos here and stuff. So this is mainly gonna be like cinematics and photos sort of style video. Also, the lighting keeps changing. One sec. I've had a shave. Now I just need all this mop to go, and then it's like almost back to normal for me. This is probably my last explore during like lockdown, walking here. And yeah, after this, lockdown's lifted pretty much next week, so we can go back to Norfolk. I've got some like loads of exploring stuff I'm doing. Got some abandoned, got some picturesque places, so keep your eyes peeled. And also, big thank you for 600 subs. Means the world to me. Never thought I'd hit it, but yeah, I have. So yeah, thank you so much to everyone who subscribed and watches my videos, and even like the bot accounts and the haters who like dislike it. Still, it's engagement, so thank you. This building dates back from 1836, when it was originally a church. In the 20th century, the building was used as a reading room, community hall, and even a garage. It closed in 1973, but then later became subject of a ghost story in some books, and it's just an absolute ruin now. So you got this. Literally, this is just hanging on the wall. It's like proper fallen down, but it looks nice and it makes for an amazing photo. Also, through the window, you can't see on my camera, but you can see some sort of like wooden beams inside. So if you ever could get in, it would look really nice in there. This is also on a main road, so yeah. But it's got so much character. Like all the vines growing off it. So I've just noticed this whilst being here. If you come in and look up here, it's got an old light bulb. There you go, there's an old light bulb there. And this is the old door. And look down here, there's a bird's nest. There's some little eggs. But I absolutely love these vines and trees growing over it. It looks so nice. And this door just looks so creepy with the vines next to it. It's just a shame that you can't see in, because I reckon that's completely open with maybe a top floor, beams up the top, because I can't get the lens to zoom in, but through this window there are like wooden beams, so I imagine it looks quite nice in there. But yeah, this has been the assembly halls. I hope you like it, and I'm very windswept now. Please hit the like button, please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.